If you're serious about understanding the market, there's one tool you absolutely need to master: the Simple Moving Average (SMA). Think of it as your market translator. It takes all that chaotic price action, all the ups and downs, and smooths it into a clear, readable line. But here's the big question: are we in an uptrend, downtrend, or just stuck in a range? The SMA cuts through the noise and gives us a straight answer. And trust me, trading without knowing the trend, that's like driving with your eyes closed. Alright, let's set it up. Open Tradingview and load any chart. We'll use gold XAUUSD as an example. Click on indicators, type Simple Moving Average and hit enter. Select the first result and boom, a new line appears on your chart. But wait, a single SMA line is basic stuff. Sure, it shows a trend, but it's like looking at a map with just one road. What if you could see an entire zone, a dynamic area where price is likely to bounce, struggle, or confirm strong trend? That's where our secret trick comes in. We're about to supercharge the SMA and turn it into a powerful zone. Click on the gear icon to open SMA settings. Change length to 45 for a broader, more stable market view. Now in the smoothing menu, select SMA plus Bollinger Bands. Keep the length and BB standard deviation as they are. Head over to the Style tab and disable the original SMA lines. We only need those Bollinger Bands now. What we have created: a dynamic support and resistance zone that adapts to price movements. Instead of a basic line, we now see key areas where price may reverse or continue trending. This is a real edge in trading. Now that we have our trend zone, we need an entry signal. This is where the higher high, lower low strategy comes into play. Click indicators again and search for higher high, lower low strategy. Select the version by Lone Sum the Blue and add it to your chart. Open Settings, go to Inputs, and chain left bars and right bars to 9. This filters out small, insignificant moves. In the Style tab, uncheck all extra labels. We want a clean chart. Adjust bar colors: green for bullish moves, red for bearish moves. Now our chart is clean and powerful. We have trend confirmation and momentum signals in one setup. Let's break down exactly how to enter a trade using this setup. Buy setup long trade. Price is above the Bollinger lines, uptrend confirmed. The higher high, lower low indicator marks a red resistance level. If a candle closes above that resistance, that's our buy signal. Stop loss goes slightly below the most recent swing low. Take profit at 1.5 times or 2 times risk. Depending on your trade style. Sell setup short trade. Price is below the Bollinger Bands. Downtrend confirmed. The higher high, lower low indicator marks a green support level. If a candle closes below that support, that's our sell signal. Stop loss goes slightly above the most recent swing high. Take profit at 1.5 times or 2 times risk. This strategy is powerful because the bands show us a trend, the higher high, lower low indicator finds key levels. We use smart risk management to protect our capital. Now, let's put this strategy to the test. We'll go back in time, find real trade setups on gold XAUUSD and see how they played out. What do you think of this strategy? Comment below and let me know what asset we should test next. Have you used SMA plus Bollinger Bands before? Share your experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more game-changing trading strategies. With this setup, we're not just using a simple SMA. We have transformed it into a dynamic trading tool with Bollinger Bands and price action confirmation. Stick to your trading rules and risk management. If you're new, practice on a demo account. Let me know in the comments what strategy you want next. Until the next video, trade smart, stay profitable.